Hi everyone, Steven here. Hope you're doing well. For our second documentary, we're heading to France and the UK. Today's topic, the Channel Tunnel.
Between Britain and Europe lies one of the busiest and most dangerous seas on Earth.
22 miles of freezing water that defeated engineers for centuries.
As early as 1802, people dreamed of crossing it underground.
They tried, and they failed.
Every time humans challenged the channel, the sea won.
For generations, the channel was an unbreakable wall.
Cold, dark, unforgiving. No one dared challenge it, until now.
One mistake, and the ocean would flood everything.
Britain blasted a new piece of coastline into existence. France dug straight down into the earth itself.
11 custom-built machines would fight the seabed.
Each machine was a moving underground factory.
Inside, temperatures reached 50 degrees Celsius. That's insane.
Hey, my friend, we are gonna die here. I'm sure it's over 50 degrees.
Every drop of water was a warning of disaster.
A gyroscope guided the machines with impossible precision. Technology in action.
One wrong turn, and they would miss by kilometers.
7.5 million cubic meters of rock had to go somewhere.
That's unbelievable. Britain literally pushed the sea backward.
After 39 kilometers, the tunnels were almost touching.
36 years ago, can you imagine? It was in 1990. The impossible finally broke open.
We did it! Yes!
The dream is becoming true. Trains would soon fly underwater at full speed. One touch meant instant death. Fire was the greatest fear of all.
The service tunnel became a lifeline.
Quick reminder, if you enjoy this documentary, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Now let's continue.
Costs exploded beyond all predictions.
"11 workers never came home.
The Channel Tunnel was open for business.
London to Paris in just over 2 hours, both from city centres.
Steel and chalk united two nations forever. Neighbors, countries. The tunnel needed air, light, and systems that could never fail. It was vital.
Every cable, every wire was installed with exacting precision. Everything was planned.
Trains now raced at 160 kilometers per hour beneath the ocean.
Fire was the greatest danger, and the tunnel had to survive it.
The budget ballooned from $4.7 billion to nearly $10 billion.
11 workers lost their lives, a tragic human cost.
6 massive British machines were buried beneath the channel, sacrificed to save time.
Yet the tunnel's design proved flawless. prepared for any tragic scenario. Risks were known. Years later, a fire erupted inside a truck shuttle. The ultimate test.
The service tunnel became a lifeline, saving every passenger aboard.
Every system worked perfectly. A triumph of engineering.
The three-tunnel design proved its genius under the worst-case scenario.
People traveled beneath the sea safely and quickly, a marvel of modern engineering.
The journey from London to Paris was reduced to just over 2 hours. Faster than flying, without queues, without airport stress. Saint Pancras to Gare du Nord.
A century of planning became reality. A triumph of human ingenuity. A scaring challenge.
Massive logistics hubs were built for cars, trucks, and passengers alike.
Then came the ultimate fear. A fire fueled by tires and cargo.
Automatic fire suppression activated instantly, protecting lives.
Everyone aboard was guided to safety, proving the tunnel's design correct. Today, the tunnels run silently, safely, and efficiently. 30 years of experience.
Trains now connect London and Paris seamlessly beneath the Channel.
Every emergency system is tested and fully functional.
It remains one of the greatest collaborative engineering feats in history.
What was once impossible is now an everyday reality and a routine. Human ingenuity conquered natural barriers beneath the sea. 2 centuries of planning and struggle led to this triumph.
That's wonderful.
The next impossible challenge is already underway.
The Channel Tunnel stands as a permanent connection between nations.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more documentaries like this. Comment below and give us your feedback. I'll see you in the next video.
Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and witness humanity conquering the impossible.